In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external user in Zoho Cliq. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding so you can seamlessly integrate external collaborators into your Zoho Cliq environment. To start off, you're going to head over to your navigation sidebar. This is your main hub for all the essential tools and options within Zoho Cliq. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Org. This is where we'll be managing all of our organizational connections, including our external users. Now, when you explore the Org section, you'll notice that your contacts are organized into categories. The primary ones you'll see are People and Teams. People will list individual contacts, while Teams showcases all the groups to which you belong. For our purpose today, we're focusing on the People category. Under People, you'll find a section specifically titled External Users. This is a dedicated space where you can manage all your interactions with users who are not part of your organization, but need access to collaborate on certain tasks or projects within Zoho Cliq. The process to invite an external user is straightforward. Here's how you do it. Spot the Send Invite button. You can't miss it. With a simple click of that button, you're prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure you have their correct and up-to-date email contact, as this ensures your invite reaches the right person and they get an easy entry into your workspace. Once you've entered their email address and sent the invite, your job becomes a bit of a monitoring task. You'll want to check on any pending invites from external users, which conveniently appear under a section titled Invites Received. Here, you have control over accepting or rejecting those invites, giving you a full scope of management over who's entering your collaborative space. And that's not all. Zoho Cliq also keeps things nice and organized by allowing you to view all connected users. Plus, there's the tracking feature for all invites you've already sent out to external contacts, ensuring you can easily manage, follow up, or retract any invitation if necessary. Having these systems in place can greatly enhance your ability to work smoothly with people outside your organization. Not only does it expand your collaboration potential, but it also emphasizes security and organized communication. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively add and manage external users in Zoho Cliq. By following these steps, you'll be expanding your productivity with ease, creating a flexible and responsive working environment that fosters collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident navigating and leveraging Zoho Cliq for your organizational needs.